Working from home has become the norm with the advent of COVID-19. But the big question is, what can employees claim for those additional costs that they're incurring from working from home? Well, the ATO have just released an announcement to simplify and make it easier for employees to be able to work out a deduction ready for their tax return, which, we're now in April, it's not very far away. At the end of June, people will be getting ready to lodge their tax return. So let's talk through that. At the moment, the most common way that people claim working from home expenses is 52 cents an hour of that time spent working at home. Plus they might claim a little bit of a proportion for their mobile phone depreciation on a laptop, for example. But this new measure, which the ATO has only just announced, is called the shortcut method. And it's a very simple, all up, very easy calculation of a claim done at 80 cents per hour of working at home. Now, the conditions are fairly basic. Working from home needs to have been as a result of COVID-19, which pretty well most people are in that circumstances. And this calculation can be calculated from the 1st of March through to the 30th of June. So the best way to do that would be to keep a diary record of all the hours that you're working at home. You could use your timesheets, for example, as a way to substantiate it. And just simply calculate that at 80 cents per hour. The ATO does say that you need to be actually working from home, basically in a full-time capacity and incurring additional costs. But to work out that claim for those additional costs is just 80 cents per hour. And I would encourage you, though, if you've gone out and bought a lot of new furniture and new computer and all this sort of thing, and you've maybe new internet upgrades and so on, if you've done those additional things to prepare yourself to work from home, keep a track of those, because it still could work out better that you claim it under the other way, what's been around all the time. And we look at what is depreciation, what are the actual running costs, and that still could possibly work out to be better than the 80 cents per hour. But nonetheless, for most people, I can see that the 80 cents per hour calculation will be very simple and easy, and now's the time to start keeping a record so that come 30th of June, you're in a position to have that calculation and put it in your tax return. I'm Mark from Wardle Partners. Stay well.